Good morning, everyone. If we want to enjoy our life, let God be God in our life. Let God love us. Just love God. Just allow God to love us. So usually kasi ang nangyayari, pag-gising natin sa umaga, we depend on ourselves. When we depend on ourselves, when we depend on our plan, without God, mas madalas tayo napapahamak.
Life, you gotta let God be God.
That's why we let God be God in our life. When we trust God, everything that you have, your decision, when you wake up, your decisions, your plan, just surrender to God. Allow Him to plan in your life, to work in your life, because He knows better than us. He knows exactly what's gonna happen in the next few hours, in the next few days, in the next few weeks, few months, few years. And when you allow Him to handle your life, to plan in your life, to guide you, it's less distractions, less obstacles, because you'll allow Him. Just ask Him and allow Him what is the best thing to do in your life right now. Hope that you learn something very important. Just allow God. Allow Him to work in our life. And allow Him to love us. Sometimes when we feel the trials and obstacles, nawawala yung trust natin and love natin sa Kanya. Worse pa nun, sinisisi pa natin siya. So dapat hindi. Kasi kung meron mang tao na makakatulong sa atin, sa buhay natin, to handle it well, it's in Him. When you are in Him, you are in good hands. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.